Okay, so our committee has 7 positions. However, 2 members have recently sold and we are now 5. The 5 has decided not to fill the vacancies until the next AGM. Our strata manager advises that a vote on any motion, the majority required is still 4 and not 3 of the 5 members. Is this correct?
Yeah. So if you've got 7 on the committee and then there's a vote of, and then you've got 5 people, so the number at the AGM set at 7, then you've got 5. So you need 4 for a quorum. And then it's a majority of the quorum at a meeting. So if you've got 5 at a meeting, it's 3. If you've got 4 at a meeting, it's 3. So it's always going to be 3 people who are going to make up the quorum. However, the difference is a paper strata committee meeting where you need a majority, or you need 4 votes for that, because you need that. So because you need 4 of the 7.